Kevin, we did a video here by Cafe Paris a couple of months ago. Since then, Yoeli, it's rocking out. The Oilam is loving it. The feedback I'm getting is amazing. It's giving me at the non-take milchiks. It is at the Prime. In Cafe Paris is where milchik is at. Yoeli?
Ja.
Kids can find a non-take special do.
Well, Hashem, schoi gaan, vandaag om naar Roek komen. The video from last time was amazing. So the Tina sag van mir. So Kim, laat me wazen nog om samen te openen voor de non-take.
Let's go. 9 days here at Cafe Paris, Chevre. Koyim Kol, it's just a beautiful, geschmacka vibe, this place. Yoeli, the Oilam zoeken me Chaim. We love coming here because it's a Paris vibe.
So that geschmack, still.
Like I said, it's the center of our park, but the walks around do. Ruhig, still, batam, geschmack. So let me see what you do in the non-take off a menu. Koyim Kol, you're not going to have enough space for the 9 days.
I have enough space. I in the back room. Can even nog 100 mensen naar in the back room.
Oh, in the back room, you're saying when they're overspilled, like around the back room noch menschen. Yoeli, die weiß, man Sibra liebst sein gitte Geschmack essen in die Days. So lass mal sehen, was auf dem Menu do.
Ich habe auch gleich ein paar Sachen. Here we have fettuccine Alfredo.
Fettuccine Alfredo. Imagine you can smell it through the camera. Shoot, not yet. Also wie Momo sagt.
And do have Penne alla Vodka.
Penne alla Vodka. Yoeli, this Penne looks so good, I want to challenge you on something, okay?
Okay.
Anybody that comes in here during the 9 days and mentions Perlowitz could get a free penny on the house.
Okay, we have a deal.
We have a deal?
Yes.
Let's shake on it, Chevre. We have a deal. Come and mention Perlowitz and you get a free Penne alla Vodka on the house. Look at that penny. Look how delicious it is. A personal pie, straight out of the oven, toasty, geschmack.
We have the best cheese.
Yeah, this is the real mozzarella from Paris.
From Paris. And do we have over here? We have a sunrise salad.
Oh, ik denk dat ja, de Oilam graag de salads doen. Mushroom you gaat geven, de salad doen. The real feta cheese, the crunch, a shepherd.
Over here we have a goat cheese salad. This is goat cheese.
Goat cheese. Yes, meint it's legit goat.
Goat, yes.
Goat cheese salad, geven from goat milk. A cake.
Here we have a pizza, vegetable pizza.
A vegetable personal pie. Delicious. Nog a salad do. Kijk maar hoe de salad do. Crunchy on the top. Nog wat de feta cheese. Crisp. Jullie, maar wat is de noemer van deze salad?
This is a sunrise salad.
Sunrise salad. What's that one
That's
over here?
kale. This is a paradise salad.
Paradise salad. So a paradise salad with a sunrise salad of kale. It's gezind. Approved by Jonas and Schwartz and by Tanya. Right?
Not everything.
Not everything, but they have a full menu here approved by Tanya. But the Oilam was waschig often.
Sorry, not Tanya. It's the Basi Berkowitz's menu.
Basi Berkowitz's menu. But I'm sure if Tanya comes in, she'll say it's good also. For the right price. Ik heb een kick of them. Geschmacka Megziri over here. Was me zoomt around, dus with the cheese. Er also didn't find the stringy cheese on top. Nice, gorgeous geschmack. You just feel like you're in France over here. I feel like you're in Paris. They do kind of geschmackheit. It's just a nice vibe. David, wo suchst du auf Café Paris?
Wo ist du zu suchen? Wir kennen nicht ständig normal auf dem Platz. Du darfst zahlen $1,000 davon, kann Frankreich, kann Paris, du bist in Borough Park, right here.
Suchst du Yoeli bought Paris to Borough Park?
Exactly. Noch besser.
Noch besser.
Sorry, I gotta take the call. Sorry.
Okay, take the call. Chevre, give that truffle pizza with fettuccine sauce. Give a kick. Ooh. Zoek de Yoeli, I don't know. De essen dus zo good.
It's delicious, good.
It's
a feel good.
It's a feel good. If the Humboldt gewin hand do, I don't know if they would.
Do us the
What's it this?
delicious salmon.
Salmon with the chili sauce.
With the
lemons.
Stir-fried vegetable and rice.
Come on, kick up the stir-fried vegetables with the rice. Yoeli, wie kommst du mit der Sache gute Sachen, Yoeli? What's this?
This is cheese ravioli.
Cheese
mushroom.
ravioli.
Delicious.
Mit mushrooms, mit the sauce. A legit cheese ravioli, Chevre. Gib an du. Oh, heilige Yoeli. So Yoeli, during the 9 days, guys are gepackt to the Oilam. I can bisschen missed off in the Anteg.
12 was jede Nacht.
12 was jede Nacht. At 12 a.m. this place is open here to serve you. Don't forget your free Penne alla Vodka. Right here. Mention Perlowitz, you get that free delicious Penne alla Vodka. When the Baba die Chizik is the sunny side up. This hat sie gemeint. Look at the sunny side up. Legit, the boy, get the sourdough, toast, avocado. This is legit, was mod gemeint. da Messer du, man schnappt Avocado, man macht ein bisschen Toast auf der Eier dort, mit a shiny salad du, feta cheese. Momo, this is for you. Fine nice, give this sunny side. The best thing Yoli was to bust that sunny side up. Gib a Stech around dort in der, as a poke in the bullseye. In Joish. Kennst du nicht noch eine, Yoli?
Ja, alle.
The Tave von a Bucher, ein man. Boom. Wow, look how delicious this is. Must have fold over. So light it off there. Oh, Yoli, I'm gonna have to stop doing that when see. What happens when it gets packed here?
Ich habe noch ein Room in der Back, im Lamm der Vasen.
Hast du noch a room do in the back? Lass mal sehen.
Ganz viel Usig ist verschiedene Brachos. Jetzt
in den Tag.
Kann man es usen, überfüllen die Mäulen. Du hast feine Platz, fein kalt.
Oh wow, gorgeous.
Wir können mit Gaiva, wir können einen Nachttisch und du. Dort inside können wir gehen mit Nachttables. Viele Oran, 100 Menschen, noch 100 Menschen können du herankommen.
So you're saying, den Antags, füllt sich und du kommt bei Nacht.
Bei Nacht, fein, kalt.
Und lass uns in die Gelad kommen, du mit der Crew, 10 Gelad.
Can we have machen extra mechitza? We want it like private. We can do it as well for the same price.
Nice. Gehen wir heißen. Beautiful section over here. Man kann like Nachttischen, in Gelad kommt über Nacht, couples, ladies, da unten kommt da raus, können wir machen a special section over here. It's beautiful. Chevre, nicht nur Nantag, noch a ganz Jude open, but now the night is the prime time of the Milchigs. Joili, the trinken, lass mal sehen, the trinken fahren wir endlich durch the video, was du weißt du.
Zusammen noch trinken.
Oh, ich habe
ein Mal, jetzt war es noch ein bisschen.
Wow, they're known for their drinks over here. Last time we gave free drinks, this one we upgraded their free Penne. Du hat man the cappuccino, the fruit shake, Parline Paris, and Affogato Crisp. Affogato Crisp, Parline Paris, the fruit shake with the cappuccino. Joili, eine will machen a reservation, come out with a group, what's the number?
718-853-2353.
The address is the device
4424 16th Avenue.
4424 16th Avenue, the Harz von Borough Park, but man kommt daran, das in der Harz von Paris. Joili, open to 12 a.m. now in the 9 days. One more time, breakfast. I know we're going to come
11 o'clock.
11 a.m. A nice brunch. You come out here, open till 11. From 11 a.m. till 12 a.m. I'm just ganze Tag.
Yeah?
So the guy schlufen, come, pull shoe, and you're back here.
That's it.
Chevre Cafe Paris.